Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign into your XcelPay Wallet application. Signing into XcelPay is a straightforward process. Launch open XcelPay Wallet application and it'll show you this interface where you'll need to enter your PIN that you set up for your wallet while signing up for it. Simply go ahead and enter the PIN and then you will be able to log into your wallet. If you don't remember your PIN code, then you will need to restore your wallet from your backup. So that is how you can easily sign into XcelPay application within a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.